We are down to week 4 ng ating Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series, and I would like to thank everyone for your support. Week 4 will be our last leg of this series, but don't you worry, I will be making more videos for your guide sa inyong online selling journey. Clearly, tayo mga e-commerce sellers have the significant opportunity to reach millions online, lalo na nitong pandemic. And with this opportunity comes responsibility, hindi lang sa ating mga online business, sa mga taong nagtatrabaho sa atin, sa ating family, pero lalong-lalo na sa ating mga customers. Kapag online seller ka, regardless kung anong binibenta mo or kung anong sector ka man ng business, good customer service should always be at the cornerstone of everything you do. So ang topic natin in today's video is how to delight our customers and how to improve our e-commerce customer service strategy. If you want to learn, stick around and don't forget to thumbs up this video. Hello everyone, your Mama Betchay here and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can be successful in your online selling, I give tips, best practices, tutorials, and other interesting stuff in my channel. So please consider subscribing and pakiclick ang bell notification para updated ka sa aking mga bagong videos. If you remember, sa isa sa ating mga video nitong 2021, puntahan nyo yung ating channel, no, yung playlist na 2021 Video Reset Your Online Selling Journey. Na-discuss natin doon yung unique selling point na phrase. Kung ikaw ay nasa online marketing, tinatawag nila din itong USP or Unique Selling Proposition. Nabanggit ko to sa isa nating videos because I remember sa isa nating followers, nagtanong siya, Mama Betchay, how can I compete with my supplier, lalo na yung mga nasa China? Dahil alam naman po natin na kapag sa China, since most of them are manufacturers, mas mababa nga po talaga yung kanilang mga produkto. And ang isa sasagot ko doon is have a USP o yung sinasabi ko na unique selling point. So ano yung unique selling point? Mag-review lang tayo. It's the essence of what makes your store or your product better than your competitor. And the best way to do that is, of course, by providing excellent customer service. Marami sa ating mga customers, ang pagbili ng product is about more than just the product itself. Yung demand ng ating customers continually grow as most of them prefer faster and quality customer service sa ating mga sellers. So isa yan sa mga dahilan kung bakit yung mga businesses today choose to implement a more effective online customer service experience strategy. So, alamin lamang po natin ano nga ba ang e-commerce customer service. So, ang e-commerce customer service is how we online business owners provide assistance sa ating mga customer with everything from making their online purchase decisions to resolving issues. So the moment na binisita ng customers natin ang ating store, hanggang they decided na bumili, or kung may aberya man yan at kailangan na may i-resolve na issue, katulad ng maling na ipadala, issues with courier, seamless customer experience needs to be applied. So this revolves around chat, reaching out to customers, of course, using the platform, lalo na yung Lazada platform. So there are lots of ways to improve our customer service strategy sa ating pag-online selling. Pero let me give you my top 3. Top 1 natin is get organized. Kapag sinabi nating organize, have a ready template that you can send replies with sa mga customers natin depending on the issue. So you can create a welcome message, a thank you message, mga promotional messages, at marami pang iba. Kasi kung organized ka, of course, mas efficient yung pagre-reply mo sa mga customers mo. Ako, para seamless yung aking pagre-reply and I know what to copy and paste, gumagamit ako ng Google Docs since ang Google Documents is actually libre lamang po siya. Okay, so let's move on to our top 2. Start by being proactive. Sa online business, hindi naman pupunta yung mga customers natin to speak with the customer service representative face-to-face. So, importante to be proactive in your outreach sa ating mga customers. Deal with issues before they even arise. Ito, ulitin ko ha. Deal with issues before they even arise. Unahan na natin. So, ano yung mga example ng pagiging proactive? One is provide timely shipping and tracking information sa orders ng ating customers. Because that way, it will show your customers that you, seller, care about their order and will also preempt them for having to reach out na magtanong kung saan na yung kanilang orders. You can also provide a how-to information kung paano nila i-track yung orders so they can track it themselves using the Lazada app. Ito, isa pa sa example ng pagiging proactive. Alam mo naman na yung binibenta mong items ay fragile, 'di ba? Unahan mo na. Deal with the issues before they even arise. So, ibig sabihin, dahil alam mo naman na fragile yung mga items, mga products na binibenta mo, edi magdagdag ka ng mga pambalot, 'di ba? Kung kailangan ng shrink wrap, lagyan mo na ng shrink wrap. Kung pwedeng doblehin mo yung bubble wrap mo, doblehin mo yung bubble wrap just to make sure na pagdating ng products mo kay customer, hindi naman siya basag-basag or hindi siya tapon-tapon. Okay? Number 3, improve your chat response time. Okay? For sure, nakikita nyo yung chat response time. There is a good reason bakit Lazada included the chat response time as one of our seller metric performance. Sa panahon where everything moves fast, katulad ko po, no, who would have thought na 6 years na ako sa Lazada, napaka-accurate yung time is of the essence. Especially sa case ng customer service where most of the customers expect instant responses. No, instant. Kailangan kapag nag-reply, kapag nag-message sila sa'yo, mag-reply ka kaagad. So, nandun yung ganong trend ng ating customer behavior lately, lalo na nitong nag-boom yung e-commerce industry dito sa Pilipinas. So slow responses not only, of course, frustrates customers, but they would tarnish your reputation as an online seller. So those are my top 3 because hindi pa nagtatapos ang ating video. Let's touch base, ano nga ba yung mga tools na pwede nating gamitin bilang Lazada seller or saan natin pupuntahan sa Lazada Seller Center in order to provide itong excellent customer experience or customer service. I will be providing screenshots along the way. So tingnan-tingnan nyo inyong mga screen, lalo na dyan sa mga viewers natin na ginawang parang podcast yung ating mga videos. Okay, so let's go to chat settings. Ang chat settings, matatagpuan po yan sa ating profile. So dito sa chat settings, dito natin makikita yung quick reply, yung auto reply. So in here, you can set yung welcome message nating mga sellers para sa ating potential buyers or para dun sa mga bibili ng product natin sa ating Lazada store. So for one, dapat first impressions last na. I would suggest na lagyan nyo na kaagad ng auto-reply yan and gandahan nyo na yung welcome message nyo. Because that way, that will provide an impact to your customers na kahit auto-reply man yan or kahit quick reply man lang siya, magkakaroon naman sila ng feeling that you really tried to accommodate her message the first time na minessage ka niya sa iyong Lazada store. Okay, so let's move on to number 2. Nandito naman yung main chat box. So tingnan nyo na lamang po yung screen kung saan nakikita yung chat box. So kumbaga ang main chat box, nandito na natin nakikita yung mga lahat ng mga messages na pumasok sa ating system ng Lazada Seller Center. Pero napaka-functional po ng main chat box na yan. Because sa main chat box na to, you can ask your customers to follow. You can update the status. You can even push yung mga products na available na meron sa store mo and send it to them one by one through PM or through chat. You can also push a voucher kapag ikaw ay naka-enable or naka-activate yung voucher mo sa store mo. Okay? Ayan. So, I'll be showing you lang. Ito, let's just breeze through yung sinasabi ko na you can push products, you can update status here by selecting one of each. Depende sa situation or depende sa update na gagawin mo kay customers. Okay? So, lastly, last tool that we can use in order to provide excellent customer service is yung tinatawag natin na CEM or Customer Engagement Management. May separate video po tayo about CEM. So puntahan nyo na lang po yung playlist na Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide Series. Panoorin nyo, may sarili tayong video about it, yung CEM. But I'd like to highlight under CEM yung customer feedback or reviews. Okay? So let me provide you a screenshot. Ito yung ginagawa ko kapag every time merong nare-receive na reviews or feedback yung aking store. So I want you to be reminded, do not take the customer reviews for granted. Ulitin ko, do not take the customer reviews for granted. Our customers needs to be acknowledged. So balikan nyo ang reviews. Magpasalamat kayo kay customers for taking the time to provide a positive feedback. Kung hindi man yan positive feedback, for example, nagbigay ng 1 star sa inyo, ng 2 star or 3 stars, then get back to it. Leave a message on how you can provide a more better or good experience para sa ating mga customers, because that is also beneficial for you kung lalo na kung may issue talaga sa quality ng products mo, and then that will give you a decision making kung kailangan mo ba siya i-pull out or what not dun sa mga items na may mga bad reviews. Okay? Ayan, I'm not sure, mukhang mabilis ang pagsasalita ko today, no? Sa mga lahat na nanonood sa atin today, nakapagkape po ako. Pero here is our key takeaway. Customer service po, ito yung pinaka-backbone of e-commerce industry. Sa nasabi ko nga kanina, customers' expectations, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga millennials, are increasing, so they expect more from us sellers. So napaka-essential nito, lalong-lalo na ang e-commerce landscape right now is very competitive. This may sound cliche, but good customer service is a journey, it's not a destination. I'm sure everyone would agree na sa online selling, things are constantly changing with new platforms, new technology. So maraming nagbabago, nag-a-update siya from time to time. So your online business should be on track to understand, bilang seller, how can you leverage every opportunity to provide your customers with better, faster, and exceptional service than your competition. So that's the end of our video today. I hope that I was able to impart my 11-year experience in customer service na naib-apply ko po sa aking online selling journey, at sana you kickstart providing excellent customer service din sa mga buyers nyo. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I do it, let me know in the comment section below. And would you want me to create a customer service reply template na magagamit nyo sa stores nyo? If you want to have this template, which by the way, I can definitely create and give it to you for free, paki-comment ang inyong sagot down below sa question na ito. The question is, what is the best thing you have learned in our Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series, and what was the impact it made in your Lazada store? Again, what is the best thing you have learned in our Lazada Seller Beginner's Guide series, and ano nga ba yung naging impact nito sa iyong Lazada store? Comment away guys para ganahan naman ang inyong Mama Betchay na gumawa pa ng maraming videos. So depende sa comments nyo, again, namigay naman na ako dati ng free templates, di ba? Namigay ako ng thank you card na template. Then ginawan ko rin kayo ng revenue calculator para makatulong sa inyong pricing strategy. I can definitely give you and create a customer service reply template for free. So abangan nyo yan sa aking mga posts, pati na rin sa Facebook ko. Puntahan nyo na rin yung aking Facebook and don't forget to follow me there. Also, I have a TikTok account where you can watch short videos about tips, tricks, and hacks sa online selling. So puntahan nyo na rin, napakasimple lang ng aking account name doon sa TikTok. It's just Yo Mama Betchay at nag-iisa lang po yun, ako yun. So there, once again, this is your Yo Mama Betchay. I will see you in my next video. Amping, ingat, I'll see you soon.
Hello! Hello to everyone supporting Yo Mama Betchay's YouTube channel. This is Mommy Maria Padilla. Hi! And be sure to click on the subscribe button at saka like her videos, and don't forget to ring that bell para malaman niyo yung mga latest videos niya, because I'm sure marami kayong matututunan sa kanya. Ako mismo, ang dami kong natutunan dahil 6 years na siya that she's been selling sa Lazada, and she is so generous with sharing her knowledge. So, siguradong marami tayong matututunan sa kanya. So, and share it with all your friends. Don't forget!